Hello students and welcome to my channel Maths App. So in this video, I will be talking about multiple integration and we will focus on double integration in polar coordinates. So, so I hope this is clear. And now we move on to the reduction formulas. Now these reduction formulas will help you to calculate the integration whether it is in Cartesian system or it is in polar system very easily in terms of sine and cos, right? So if I have an integral from 0 to pi by 2 sine nx dx, it is same as the integral 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx. Now, whenever we have powers of sine or cos and the limits of integration is from 0 to pi by 2, according to the reduction formula, how do we break it? Now, the exponent in the numerator, we will subtract all the odd terms like n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, and this process will continue till we do not receive 0 or negative, right? So, the moment we receive 0 or negative, we'll stop there. Similarly, in the denominator, we will start from the exponent n and we will keep on subtracting all the even terms n minus 2, n minus 4, so on up till we are getting 0 or a negative number, right? And the same number, if n is odd, then this is the answer. And in case n is an even number, we need to multiply it with pi by 2, right? So these reduction formulas will be of great help when you are solving the integrals, right? So we have one more reduction formula when we have a multiple of sine and cos. So it is sine mx cos nx and the integral is from 0 to pi by 2. So in this case, what we will do, we will start with when both the powers, the exponents are even, we will multiply pi by 2. Otherwise, we won't multiply pi by 2, right? So how are the exponents expanded? We will start with the power of sine, that is m. We will subtract all the odd terms, m minus 1, m minus 3, so on up till 1. Similarly, we will take the next exponent, that is n, and we will keep on subtracting n minus 1, n minus 3, so on up till 1. And then we will add the two exponents, that is m plus n, and we will keep on subtracting all the even terms from it. So it is m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4, so on, up till we are getting 0 or a negative number. So the moment you receive a 0 or a negative number, you stop there, right? So if both the exponents are even, only then multiply pi by 2. Otherwise, no need to multiply pi by 2, right? Okay. So now let us move to this exercise. You have to integrate 0 to pi, 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta, 2 pi r square sine theta dr d theta. Right? So again, if you check the inner integral, the inner integral is with respect to r. Right? So if there is any term of theta, we will keep it as constant. So let us integrate this. So you can take out 2 pi, it is a universal constant. And the first integral is 0 to pi, which will remain same. And now sine theta is kept constant, so I'll keep sine theta out. The integration of r square will be r cubed by 3. And now we will put the limits as 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta. And the outer integral is with respect to theta. So now this 3 can be taken out common. So 2 pi by 3 is constant. We have 0 to pi sine theta. Now when I put the upper and lower limits, I'll get a cube 1 minus cos theta whole cube, right? So I'll get a cube 1 minus cos theta whole cube. Okay. And integration is with respect to theta. So in the next step, I can also take this a cube outside. That is also constant. So we get 2 pi a cube by 3 integration 0 to pi. Now if you remember, the reduction formulas only work when the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Otherwise it won't work. So let us convert these trigonometric terms into something else so that we can apply the reduction formula. So we can write sine theta as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. And similarly, if I convert this into a half angle, 1 minus cos theta will be written as 2 sine theta by 2, 2 sine square theta by 2 whole cube d theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2, right? And now let us see what are coming constant. This 2 will move out. So 2 into 2 will become 4. 4 pi a cube by 3 multiplied by 2 cube will be 8. And now let us combine the powers of sine. So sine power will be 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So sine 7 theta by 2 and cos the exponent is 1 only. Right? Now, how to proceed further? Let us put theta by 2 equal to t. So when I put theta by 2 equal to t, d theta will become 2 times dt. So let us substitute the value here. So we get 4 pi a cube by 3 multiplied by 8. Now sine 7 theta by 2 will become sine 7t. Cos theta by 2 will become cos t. And d theta will become 2 dt. So I am writing this 2 outside. And we get here dt. Now when I put theta 0, t will also be 0. And when I put theta pi, t will become pi by 2. So can you see that I can apply the reduction formula here? So this is 4 pi a cube by 3 multiplied by 8 into 2. Now when I apply the reduction formula, I'll apply the second one. So I'll start with the exponent 7. I'll keep on subtracting all the odd terms. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then I will have 4. Then I will have 2. And now when I subtract the next term, I'll get a 0. So I'll stop here. 1 cannot be further expanded because 1 minus 1 will become 0. In the denominator, we will add the exponent 7 plus 1, 8. And now we will keep on subtracting all the even terms. 8, 6, 4 and 2. Right? Now do we need to multiply pi by 2 here? No, because the exponents are not both even. Right? So from here, 8 cancels, 6 cancels, 4 cancels, 2 cancels. So what are we left with? We are left with 8 pi a cube by. So this is your answer, right? So I hope you could understand where the reduction formula is being used. Otherwise, these type of integrals will become difficult to solve. So you can use the reduction formula to simplify it, right? So do try these questions and let me know if you are not able to solve it. And like this is a equation of lemniscate. So if you don't know what is a lemniscate, so please check my videos on curve tracing and you will find this curve. And while you know this curve, you will be able to do this question very comfortably, right? So do try these questions and check your answers whether you could solve it or not, right? If you are facing any doubt, let me know it in the doubt sections in the comment section. Do write it in the comment section. I'll surely reply. And if you like the video, do hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel to get the latest updated video. Have a nice day and believe in yourself. You can definitely do it. Thank you so much.